This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change transmission fluid in a Subaru Forester. Begin by lifting the car safely and supporting it with jack stands, then remove the drain plug to let the old fluid flow into a pan. Inspect the fluid for debris and color, replace the drain plug gasket, and refill through the fill port to the specified level while the engine runs at idle. Start by warming the transmission with a short drive so fluid becomes less viscous and drains thoroughly. Securely support the Forester and position a catch pan under the drain plug before loosening it to avoid spills. After the fluid finishes draining, replace the drain plug with a new crush washer, torque to specification, and clean any residual drips to prevent contamination or refill through the fill port using the recommended Subaru transmission fluid and a pump to avoid mess. Start the engine and shift through each gear to circulate the new fluid, then bring the vehicle to the correct operating temperature to get an accurate level. With the car securely supported and running at idle as instructed, remove the fill plug, check the level, and add small amounts until it reaches the designated mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.